All right, so I'm here in the office, and so this is what the power adapter looks like. This is what it should look like for you. Just making sure that you're using the right power adapter. It should look like this. If it doesn't look like this, you might not have the right adapter, which could be the problem. So you plug it in, then you have this right the end. So you put the red part into the inside, and then you touch the black on this outside. You have the V with the wavy lines, and you have the V with the little dots underneath it. That's the one you want. And then I touch it with the black, the ground, and it goes, it registers at 8.72. 72. So if I take this plug out and I grab another one, a different plug, and I plug this one in same way, 8.65. So pretty much those work well. And plug it into a machine. And this is what should happen when you plug in the machine. You should get the blinking, and then you should get the blinking light. That's the sign of power.